Inkforall is a popular generative AI software, but before you buy, there are a few things you should know. If you're considering this tool, you might want to hear about its pros and cons compared to competitors in the market, so stick with me till the end, where I'll share a great alternative to Inkforall you can try for free. First off, Inkforall promises to help you create high-quality content quickly, but it's essential to understand that it's not just a writing tool. It's aimed at businesses and content creators who need help with SEO, social media posts, blogs, and more. While its AI does the heavy lifting, its results can sometimes require manual adjustments, especially in terms of tone and nuance. Next thing, while Inkforall's AI can generate content for you, it doesn't always get things perfect on the first try. For example, it might struggle with highly specialized topics or with writing that needs a personal touch. You might have to tweak the content yourself for accuracy or to match your unique voice, which is something you don't always need to do with other AI writing tools. The third thing to consider is pricing. Inkforall isn't the cheapest option out there. If you're a small business or individual creator just starting, you may find that other tools like Jasper or Writer offer more affordable pricing tiers. Inkforall has a variety of pricing plans, but its top-tier options can get quite pricey, especially if you're looking for features like SEO optimization or advanced content analytics. The fourth thing to think about is the learning curve. While the software is relatively easy to use, it does have a few complexities, especially if you're trying to utilize its more advanced features like content scoring or SEO suggestions. If you're looking for something simpler, tools like copy.ai might be a more user-friendly alternative. The fifth thing is the quality of its SEO features. Inkforall claims to improve your search rankings, but the SEO tool doesn't always give perfect results. You may need a separate SEO expert or tool to supplement its offerings if you're trying to rank highly on search engines. Competitors like Phrase or Surfer SEO excel in this area, so consider whether this is a deal breaker for you. Next, Inkforall has a decent support team, but it's not as responsive as some other competitors like Jasper or Writesonic. If you're someone who needs real-time support, you might find this a bit frustrating. Also, while they have helpful resources, some users have reported that it can take a bit longer to get a clear response. The seventh thing is its integrations. Inkforall does integrate with Google Docs and other platforms, but it doesn't support as many third-party apps as some of its competitors, like copy.ai or Jasper. If you need a tool that works seamlessly with your existing workflows, this could be an issue. The eighth thing is content variety. Inkforall offers templates for blog posts, social media captions, email copy, and more. However, its templates can sometimes feel a bit generic, and you might not get the most out of them without heavy customization. Competitors like Writesonic often offer more versatile templates with more tailored options. The ninth point is that Inkforall's AI is designed to adapt and improve over time. This is great, but the process is slow. Unlike competitors that update their algorithms regularly, you may find that Inkforall's AI takes a bit longer to catch up with newer trends in writing or SEO. The 10th thing to keep in mind is that Inkforall offers a range of features, but not all of them are necessary for every user. If you're only looking for basic content creation, other tools may offer better value for money. Some alternatives focus specifically on what you need without overloading you with extra features you might not use. Next, let's talk about the user community. Inkforall has a smaller community compared to giants like Jasper or Copy.ai. While it's growing, you might find fewer discussions or tips online. Larger communities offer more third-party resources like templates, guides, and tutorials, which can make your learning experience smoother. Lastly, Inkforall can be a great choice for teams that need to scale content production, especially for businesses looking to produce regular blog posts or social media content. Its collaboration features make it easy to work with a team, but if you're a solo creator or small business, it might be overkill. All in all, Inkforall is a good option for many users, but if you're looking for something that offers a better combination of price, ease of use, and specialized features, we recommend checking out our preferred alternative. It's a tool you can try for free, with no strings attached. Check the link in the description below.